Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, getting ready to do an experiment, so I thought I would document it. On the rail, of course, is the AERO car. We haven't seen this for a while. Anyway, got it on the outside rail, of course, connected to the Mighty Max 12-volt lawnmower battery. Now, I've never tried running this on a battery, so I'm not sure how it's going to run. Anyway, I got the controller set up, so let's put some power to it. As you can see, you can run this thing really slow on this battery with this controller. Now, I installed a full wave bridge rectifier so I could run this on AC. Now, since it converts AC to DC, DC goes straight through it like it's not there. So, in any case, let's see how this runs. So as you see, that runs absolutely splendidly. Good constant speed all the way around the rail. Wow. So, running absolutely perfectly on a 12-volt lawnmower battery. So this motor draws virtually nothing, I'm sure. I haven't tested it, of course. But I would imagine this will probably run for a week on a battery. Being powered by a propeller. Now this is actually quite heavy, surprisingly heavy in fact. And I've got the motor mounted at an angle, so it provides down thrust on the wheels to keep it from derailing on these curves. This thing will literally fly around this track. And it'll push an incredible amount of weight. But in any case, I just want to do an experiment running it on a battery. I've never done this before. It runs exponentially better on a battery than it does on AC. I can run it much slower, and as you see, it's running at a constant speed all the way around this rail. So it's actually quite efficient. So, an interesting experiment, no doubt. Anyway, I just wanted to document it. I haven't done this before, so I figured I'd give it a shot and see what the results were running on a 12-volt battery. As you can see, this runs absolutely splendidly. Absolutely constant speed all the way around the rail, being pushed by a propeller. Of course, this is a model airplane motor that I just mounted on this old chassis, added lots of weight to it, and then added that full wave bridge rectifier so I could run it on AC. But running on DC, it runs exponentially better. This runs really, really well, as you see. And like I said, this will probably run for a week on this little battery. No problems at all. It's just humming. It's running like a sewing machine. Good constant speed all the way around the rail. Really difficult to beat that. Anyway, just a quick experiment. Wanted to document it by shooting a video. I haven't run this thing in weeks and weeks and weeks. I'm eventually going to build a much better version of this. It's just a matter of doing it. I just haven't had the time to build a new one. I've got the trucks that I picked to build a new one. I've got a second motor and propeller. So now it's just a matter of taking the time and actually building one. But this was my prototype, and this works. There's no doubt about that. It actually works really well. It's really efficient, being pushed by a propeller. As you see, this is running just absolutely perfectly on a 12-volt lawnmower battery. Anyway, I just wanted to do the experiment, so I thought I'd shoot a video to document it. All right, let's start slowing this down. As you see, you can run it really slow. It's a neat concept, there's no doubt about that. So it works. In any case, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.